We all know that the German student visa process is now changed, and let me make your job easier. So here is the updated student visa process for Germany in 2025. Step 1. Admission letter and APS certificate. Make sure you have the admission letter from your university and your APS certificate. Step 2 is to open your blocked account, and also make sure that you have 11,904 euros in your blocked account. Step 3 is to arrange your health insurance. Most of the students go for a public health insurance, which is TK Health Insurance. Step 4, which is CSP portal. Go to the CSP portal and fill in all the details, upload all the documents that they have asked. After 2 to 8 weeks of waiting time, you will be given the option to choose your visa slot. Last step, which is to go to the VFS center for your on-site appointment, and then you have to just wait for your visa. This is how the new German student visa process is, and you can follow Edu Options for some more informative content on masters in Germany.